Breezy Wave Cut from Hairdo, from the company Hair You Wear. Very sassy, very sexy, lots and lots of fantastic curls. The fibres are really robust in this wig. Have a close look in there at those colours, those beautiful gold and wheat colours. Light blondes, medium blondes, and some gold blonde in there as well. A really beautiful wig, and it's very light and airy. There's no lace cap, it is just a standard wefted cap, but it's light, it's airy, it's comfortable. It does have a bit of an extended nape as well. One of the best parts about this wig is it's on a budget line, and don't we love that? And who can tell the difference? Because I can't. Now, I've really fluffed the volume up on this hairdo wig, but if that's a little bit too much for you, just with your fingers, just calm her down a little bit. And she's got these fantastic bangs. Gia is a really beautiful pixie wig. She's got lots of different length layers around here. You can really train those fibres to come in around your cheekbones if you want. Now, it's not a rooted colour, but there is still definition and variations in the colours of fibres that are on this wig. The only difficulty you may have with this wig is if you have a hairline that goes down a lot lower here. There's no lace front there, but you don't really need one, as these fringe and bang layers come down to cover all of that up really beautifully. Don't forget to jazz Gia up with a bit of bling. Gia in this beautiful sugarcane colour goes really well with a light denim jacket. Gia in this beautiful sugarcane colour really goes beautifully with a bit of leopard print, but then what doesn't? But whatever way you choose to wear Gia, she's a lot of fun. If you do prefer a rooted version of this wig and you're not able to purchase that somewhere yourself, then you can always put the roots into this wig yourself. And I will be putting some darker roots into this wig for me. One of the downfalls of this wig though is it is a little bit nesty in the top with the permatease. And that's one reason why I'm going to darken the roots up in there a little bit and perhaps put a little bit of light heat on this wig, even though the care instructions for this wig says don't use any heat, so it's not a heat friendly fibre. But I'm going to try, because that permatease is a little bit nesty up in the top there. But it's that permatease that helps Gia to keep this really great lifted shape all the time. And this wig I'm wearing is Fortune by Main Attraction. It's a really great budget wig with a pre-cut lace front, and it is one of my favourite bob style wigs. It's not as short as a Pixie, but it's not as long as an Arrow or a Rene or an Angelica. So you can get the weight of those longer wigs off your back and lighten up the load and feel a little bit breezy, a little bit sassy. It's a really great mid-length wig in the colour butternut. It's not quite a summer wig, although you can wear it for summer, and I do. But it's really great for that in-between time where it's not freezing cold anymore and it's not absolutely roasting hot. An advantage of Fortune's lace front is that you can pull those bangs up off your face if you would like to. And I think an ear tuck is always a great strategy for those hot summer days. Gets the hair off your face a little bit more. Or you can leave a little bit of bang just out at the front, pull the rest back just to soften that look and give yourself a really wispy bang effect. Fantastic for summer. If you liked these 3 wigs that I've presented, you can go to my channel and watch a full review on each one of those. If you enjoy this content, YouTube will have something here for you to watch, and thank you for joining me on Julie's Wig World. Have a fantastic day. Bye guys.